the today class? Class सही है
Was
जा रही है?
good.
Was good.
Yeah, it
Do
was
make your
good.
assignments and thing, and create the project and make them successful. Okay. Take some responsibility and ask again and again, hourly basis or 2 hourly basis, morning, evening there. Sir, you have any class? Asya bhai, Latif bhai, you have any task to give me? So you have plenty of 30 minutes, 20 minutes. You give them task and AI videos and things. Make it done.
Okay.
Uh,
Now I'm also not a professional. I'll do some researches in how
research
to
is
make AI
देखो.
videos.
No, no, no. I'm an expert in the video. If you want a video classes from somewhere, bring a time, some morning or daytime. If you're free in the morning time, so you can sit in the morning time, and we will specialize, take extra classes for the special your interest. Otherwise, 1 hour is officially from future AI. As a mentor, as things, I can bring you more hours if I have nowadays in Ramzan. So I can bring you, why not bring on the board? So we can learn and practice more things. Because more we practice, more we done with project, more we have done internships and things. So we can align with the trend and things rather to curiosity with इंटरनेट कि जो इंटरनेट में हो रहा है ना एक्चुअली वो आपको क्रेविंग होती है कि यार ये भी बना लो ये भी बना लो आई कैन नॉट डू दिस आई कैन डू दिस रियल टाइम द एडिटिंग इज समथिंग different but editing is simple cut and make it draw to this is sound but sometimes the raw of editing is color grading sometimes editing in the make the sound of pop something appear blow from the background your chair will be disappear and your chair on background will keep changing your by thing your face will be changing it's something like we are something we become something so there are many tools or different AI tools so what can we make it on there let's suppose I share the screen for there so you can
Okay.
find which tool is on the leaderboard. So where we can find Arena AI. Arena AI is one of the who share the all leaderboards of video editing. Who are the top tools for the video? You can go to the Arena and go to the leaderboard.
Okay.
So you can find the top LLM performing the for the text and AI. So top text in producing by Claude, then Claude Opus, then Gemini, then Grok for the text. And top five will be again Gemini for the 3.2 or 3.1. For the coding,
What
Claude
about
is
in
one.
video?
Yeah, a suspense is a video, vision, document, text to image, and video is nowadays text to image is VO3. VO3 1 and
But
VO3.
VO3 is paid.
No, you can get the VO3 for the and
Yeah, it will give you 50
image to
credits for
video is
free
Grok is the
daily.
1 1.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
this is the audience choice. On basis of the audience vote of 50,000 audiences on the leaderboard. It depends. One overall the different places of Grok,
Then which AI
Gemini.
do you use?
I use Grok,
Okay.
or even you can
And how
use
do you
the
make the professional prompts?
professional prompt is made by AI. Actually, I will
I
share
also
the,
use AI, but it doesn't really work. Like the prompt
but
doesn't
I will
really
be
makes what I
sharing
want.
you AI prompting because if you request for the AI prompting class, I have been paid for the $50 per class for the prompting engineering classes for there. One workshop for $50. I used to do with different school and different things. Prompting engineering have too much things and different prompting concept of there. There are short prompting, there are professional prompting, there are some school prompting, there are university prompting, or there are something prompt is actually request. What do we need to request? So I can be share and soon. I'm also doing a prompt engineering from different things, and I'm also enrolled for the Google again, the advanced course in prompting and generative AI and things. So I also will update on there. But we are topic on
Okay.
Facebook and social media. On by Saturday we can be up do on prompting engineering workshop. Okay, Saturday is a off
Okay.
day. but I will do a special class for everyone who want to enroll or paid or free, whether they have to learn prompt engineering, how to prompt and different things, and how the AI evaluation is going on. That is a free of cost or paid basis. Doesn't matter. You just come in the class at maybe 3 p.m. or somewhere. So we will be looking on it. Okay. Especially for
Sir, do
you
you know
and most.
coding?
Yeah, I know the coding. I'm Python coding, CSS, Java, native sometime. It
Okay.
depends of there. There are many
Manual
things.
or automatic?
No, 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 no. Coding by logical and thinking to writing my own, not pipe coding. Pipe coding I used to
You
do.
remembered everything. It's so
It's
hard.
not like so hard, but I'm keep practicing. That's what is your name? What is your name? What is your name?
Okay.
Tell me. What is your name?
Muhammad Hazek.
So how you remember your name actually? Because you are practicing your when Papa say, "What's your name?" What's your Hasek? Up now you have pronunciation Muhammad Hasek. So it's all about the practice. When you grow up, let's say when you move to the USA, what's your name? Has. Has. It can be a shorter name for your friends some side, or the people will be as the culture base has. Or somewhere what can name be, you can ask for the chat GPT what can they pronounce your name in a short. So you can different culture at different time,
Okay.
or what is your nickname as your name, so it's depend up to there Hashu or Hashku. What's your nickname by the way?
I don't have nickname.
Hmm. So nobody love you a lot, or nobody
No,
name
no.
is them.
My grandmother called me something, but I don't like to say that.
what what she said? Chandu.
It's just no, no. She it was so close.
Yeah, what was that?
No, I will not tell you.
It's Arabic word or in Urdu or in
No,
English.
it's I don't know what is it in which
Hmm.
language, but it is a word.
Yeah, there is a pattern of love actually. So you like or do not like, but she'd love to call you, and you have to respect and allow yourself first.
Yeah.
Then enjoy the blessing and loving the things because doesn't mind,
Mm.
because there is a blessing when someone is calling you from love and affection. You need to more accept and adopt the things and more.
Okay.
Don't be irritated or don't be something like on words, because the words are very powerful, and the love of water, if you pronounce on nearby water, so it will vibrate. So there is something vibration and a good aura. So if you love
Sir,
the good aura, yeah.
is there any small project which you could give me so I can just work on it?
Yeah, I have given to
Or
the
any kind of video ideas?
yeah, I have given you somewhere with my YouTube channel. You can create me a YouTube channel for same videos of digital marketing, how digital marketing and coding and AI videos can be made. So you can
So
make
I
a
make the
tutorial.
same videos which I was making, but on the topic of digital marketing.
You can okay, you can take the videos or whatever you like to there, but I need a eight 8 minute long video. So you can make the Google LLM with the Google LLM. They call my name. Hello, today my topic is, and my introduction is I am Ali Raza Panjwani. You can make some added on videos. The voice will be the LLM
Like,
male
will I
voice.
bring my face explaining?
It's depend up to you. How many?
Okay.
You can create your LLM videos or something, audio by 11 labs, whatever. So I will be the giving a script or something. I used to do AI and digital marketing or whatever the Facebook ad, whatever the content creation
And
or social
sir,
media. Any topic
if
you
we
have to
want to
be the
record,
given. Hmm.
if we want to record like our screen and we don't want to like click on record screen recorder from our laptop because sometime it hangs. So what website should we use to do recording for our content for
That
our
is
channel?
called Loom
Oh,
website. You can use the Loom website, or you can use the Canva
okay.
website actually. Canva.com
Or
is
I can
also
also
allow.
use Zoom, right?
Loom or Zoom, or you can use Studio AI or
Okay.
OBS Studio or somewhere
Okay.
Camtasia, different software, or you can use the screen recording from your
I
mobile
could
phone.
make tutorials of websites.
Yes, yes. I used to do tutorial with massively $13 of earning from one video within a last 3 months. It depends up to there.
Okay.
So if the more viral will more there, 10,000, 20,000, 1 lakh views. So it will be more earning like $100, 200, $500. But it's not like it's something
Okay.
there. So Rehan
Sir,
school will take.
I have the problem of posting in my TikTok channel. It's not
I
working.
have,
I just can't post.
yeah, I have told you you have to share your screen share where is the problem, or share me the screen recording of where is the problem, or make some time
Okay.
or
I'll
something
do
there.
screen recording because my charge is little.
And later on, you have a full
Okay.
day tomorrow or something there. You can keep sharing me and keep messaging daily by hourly basis by
Okay.
morning, evening, and night. You can share your progress. So I feel like this. I think like content. I can make it. Or sir, you have any project you can give me. So I give you the other projects and things, even have some post
Okay.
content or video content, but you are make to yourself a video specialist, so I can give you my recording and you make it's like something. Hello, today my name is Ali. What was the yesterday name? It's like funny, but it's like
Hmm.
a hook. But I used to do click and everything. You can switch the thing in background, and I will share you the green screen or somewhere, or you can make it up. What I say कि एक जंगल में बादशाह था. Yeah, I'll make it in English. There is something beyond the things. Before the AI, there was a different era on digital marketing. So you put the something background in digital marketing or word digital marketing will pop up sideware somewhere editing like that. So I will give you teaching
Okay.
lessons in the weekends. Every Saturday, you can make me a different Saturdays. Because the more people, more students are out of the schedule and things. You can take extra classes on Saturdays, prompt engineering, video editing, whatever you like, on your choice. That is called
Okay.
viewer choice.
Hmm.
Okay, according to syllabus is
Okay.
different choice and viewer choice is different. Okay,
Okay.
so we'll be
Bye.
end of things.
Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, Jazakallah.
Thank you. Bye.
Hafiz.